Welcome to
Start over again.
Hi, welcome to another episode of Tiny Kitchen Cooking with Ann. Today we're gonna make something that what am I saying? Today we're gonna make Sean's favorite dish, which is chicken cashew nut. Yeah. I already cut the chicken like that. I know the measurement because I just look at it. Just make as much as I want. Onion, just one onion cut. Pepper. Green onion. That. Garlic. I'm not awake yet. Okay, first we're gonna use some flour. Some pepper. I think that's enough. I'm gonna fry the chicken. Yep. Not so long so it doesn't get too tough. Then we're gonna try to have to stir fry them again. Good. Okay. On this side we're gonna. How much is that? That's a lot. Wow.
What is that?
Sugar.
No.
Oh, you wanna try to use the sweet one?
Oh, use sugar. That's oyster sauce.
Sugar.
There we go.
Light soy sauce. Sesame oil. Dry chili. More for you? That's enough? And then we're gonna fry them. I'm gonna refry the first one because I don't think I put enough flour. Look at this one, much better. Yeah. Ooh, smells good, huh?
How long do you do that for?
Just until it change colors, and you can smell it. You can actually smell it. That is like smell like fried food. We should add a lot more, but Sean is being a big pussy.
Add more of that.
No. What do I need to do? You're supposed to add mushroom, but Sean didn't know, so he didn't buy it. He didn't tell me that we're gonna do this either. I think that's good. And then put the chicken in. I think it's enough. Now you don't think it's enough, huh? Guys, calm down. So if you have a mushroom, push the mushroom in first. I don't know where have you had it that they never have mushroom. There's always mushroom in this. So you fry them until you can see like it's sticky. It needs to be a bit sticky, this one. Put all of that in. This is already cooked, so we don't need to do anything. We can just put on top. But if you have a fresh one, you should like stir fry them first a little bit. You're gonna love this. Huh? I didn't use MSG yet. I'm just not awake today. Enough? It's up to you.
A little bit more.
There you go. Want to be plated?
Mm-hmm.
Just a small one, huh? That's so good today. Wow. ไก่ผัดเม็ด ไก่ผัดเม็ด There's a inside joke in there. Actually, Thai people would know this joke. Anyway, chicken cashew nut eat with rice.
Say it the right way in Thai though.
ไก่ผัดเม็ดมะม่วง ไก่ผัดเม็ดมะม่วง Okay, thank you for watching us, and I don't know, at the end of the reel, just watch all of that. Follow us, la la. I don't remember. Bye. You're really in a bad place today. You're not aware to stand, John.
I think you're in a bad place today.
I'm not drunk enough to do this yet. Not at all. Not even close.